Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for professional maker workshop gear, industrial desktop fabrication reviews, CNC routing guides, and multifunctional 3D printing deep dives. Today, we are examining a desktop fabrication center designed to combine three manufacturing methods into a unified setup, the Snapmaker Artisan Premium 3-in-1 3D printer. For engineers, product designers, and advanced makers looking to run dual extrusion 3D printing, high-power diode laser cutting, and subtractive CNC carving in a single workspace, dedicated machines consume vast table space and budget. The Snapmaker Artisan Premium solves this by integrating all three functions into a modular industrial frame. At the foundation of the Artisan Premium is its all-metal build structure, featuring CNC ground steel linear guiderails and a die-cast base plate. This rigid motion system provides the stability required to handle multi-axis vibrations during continuous 200-watt CNC milling operations across large 400 by 400 by 400 mm workspaces. For additive manufacturing, the included dual extrusion 3D printing module operates at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. This allows you to print complex overhangs using soluble support filaments or combine primary materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and carbon fiber composites with precise material switching. When switching to subtractive manufacturing, the quick swap mechanical latch system lets you swap toolheads and dedicated work beds in under a minute without powering down the system. The 200-watt CNC spindle reaches speeds up to 18,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods, acrylics, carbon fiber, and non-ferrous metals like copper and aluminum. For laser processing, the machine features a powerful 40-watt diode laser module equipped with automated smart air assist. The high optical output cuts through thick plywood and acrylics while retaining a fine spot size for detailed raster engraving on leather, wood, and coated metals. Operation is managed through an integrated 7-inch color touchscreen powered by Snapmaker Luban software, providing single-platform G-code generation across 3D printing, laser, and CNC jobs. Complete Class 1 laser protection and dust containment are assured by the included full-coverage safety enclosure. Featuring a large 400 x 400 by 400 mm work volume, 300 degrees Celsius dual extrusion printing, a 200W CNC spindle, a 40W diode laser, and industrial linear rails, the Snapmaker Artisan Premium delivers a complete desktop manufacturing system. If you enjoy this Snapmaker Artisan Premium hardware breakdown and review, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What custom project would you manufacture first using this 3-in-1 system?